Hello everyone, welcome to the IRDC Sheep Research Center. So today we're here to talk a little bit about some of the research projects that is going on, and I think we will be able to share with you through a short video. So this trial that we have here, we have 9 pens on the trial with 10 animals per pen. We're trying to evaluate the cost and the effect of different management on fiber intake. So just to remember, sheep are ruminants, and ruminants need forage on part of the digestive physiology. So the question is, and based on today's numbers on the hay cost, we were just looking at with the team, and in Mount Hope, the bale, it costs $200 per ton. Today also, corn at a value of $180 per ton. So it's more expensive to buy hay than to buy corn. So based on that, if we have a bale, what do? We feed it to our animals, or we sell it and we buy something else? And those are the questions that we try to ask to do research so we can give you the answer. The idea of this project was to compare 3 treatments, as I mentioned earlier. In one, you can see treatment 1, treatment 2, and treatment 3, and I just randomly named them. But in treatment 1, what we have, it's a diet that has a concentrate and a fixed amount of hay. So the diet is 1/4 of a concentrate and 3/4 of hay. And the idea is they finish everything. So we call them restricted hay. It's not restricted, but we know exactly how much the animals are eating. Hey guys, follow me. On the second treatment, we choose as a concentrate source soy corn. Okay? And again, it has the same ratio than the previous diet on amount of a concentrate that is the more clear. It's a corn-based concentrate and the soy corn. And we work in the same way. They have to finish everything. Once they finish, we increase the amount of what they eat. The third treatment, they have the same amount of concentrate in this group, but a little amount of hay. So we put as much hay as they want, and I'm going to show you something. Follow me. Okay, so we used to use these hay feeders that's supposed to be efficient or on the amount of hay to avoid refusal. But you will see that when you feed in these ones, the animals select and choose if you don't measure or you don't control how much hay they eat. So I'm going to show you what's the leftover. So as I was mentioning, in these ad libitum animals, we continue to push, and once a week we collect the refusals to see what is there. So they can eat as much as they want. In the other ones, it's a little bit more controlled. And if you can zoom in, I'm going to show you a little bit of the quality. This is what we feed. This is what we offer. And this is the leftover, the refusals. Most of the time, this is going to be finishing the bed. And this has an extra cost. And you can see, comparing how much short leaves or seed are in what we offer to just stems on what is left over. The idea overall on this study is to be able to have a cost of how much extra will cost to feed ad libitum hay and let the animal to choose how much they can eat versus can we control how much hay they eat based on their requirements. Okay. The second question is, if hay price goes too much, can we use an alternative source of forage like soy corn? Remember that this research is kind of follow up something that Dr. Lurch did like 20 years ago, using whole corn as a diet for winter sheep. And probably if you look at the extension sheep page on the OSU extension, you will find some of those information too. So a follow-up on the study, we start the experiment as soon as we remove the rams of the ewes, maybe within the same week, and they've been here in December. Now we are end of January, and they will be here the entire gestation. They are pregnant ewes, and they will be here the entire gestation. And as soon as we have some grass. We don't know, Ohio, when that will happen. They will be here. Once started the lamb, we are going to move them to a lambing facilities. They will be continuing the same diet, and then they will be grouped with the lambs, and they will have grass. So this is a long-term study trying to evaluate what's the best source of fiber, and if we can go with a short fiber size like soy pod, that we will see a little bit what is that, or the diet on gestating ewes. So with that, I hope that you enjoy your presentation. You have where Christine is my email? Okay, here is my email. Thank you. Have a good day.